thought I was doing okay. God, how did I end up this way?
So guys, today I've spent my day indoors and I've just been sleeping. And then let me tell you, I was washing my utensils and something told me that it's been long since but I've just undo my hair. Tomorrow when I go to church, my sister will do my hair. So curiosity just told me that, baby girl, you need to wipe your pantry area, because that is where this is where I normally put my foodstuffs and all that, and this is where I put my utensils, and this is where I put like things like soap and all those things. And when I was opening here, I just found out Monday, not one, not one, and the way I hate men. Guys, I'm going to spray. So this is where I normally put my, what do we call, my vinegar mix, and I have decided I'm not going to put vinegar mix over here. I'll look for another spray bottle. So nimeweka hapa lava. That lava made in Uganda that normally kills the insects, mende, kunguni and all that. So I'm using that. I don't know. So I'm using that. I want to spray only the lower cabinets because mende jafika huko juu. And also in my electronics haijafika because I clean nyuma ya my electronics every week. Even now I have made sure I have checked. Yeah. But here they're here. So before zitoke ziende, let me deal with them. Yes, I know I'm pregnant and I'm not supposed to have that tough smell, but man, no. Allow me spray this place.
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captain. I'm to you. Used to put on my mind like standing on rainbows, playing it cool.
So I believe in that medicine because already some roaches done, like they are dead. They are dead. So huku ndiko zilikuwa nyumba yao, like here. Before they killed me and moved to hide somewhere else, nimespray tu hapo chini. Hiyo dawa ingine nimeiweka hapo. I'll again spray if I see any roaches, but I'll just monitor my house because I normally deep clean, and that is why deep cleaning sometimes is good. Like you will know anything strange in your house and just deal with it. So since nimeona hiyo, at least nishughulikie before ifike everywhere. Like you can imagine if mendes are everywhere and all over in your kitchen, you guys, can you just imagine that? Like it's not good. And again pia nakwanga ile hati ya you keep on procrastinating na unachoka and all that. So I pray after spraying like this. I normally pray, these things are demonic. I pray that nimezifungia hapo ndani they are going to die. Yes, they are going to die. So nimeweka tu vyombo juu and all that. So I've not sprayed anywhere else. That means that tomorrow, whether I like it or not, I have to do some deep cleaning in this. Nasikia vitu kama mende zinatembea huku ndani, zina fight for their lives. Na nimefunga huku chini. Guys, kuna mende ziko hapa chini ya sink. Nasikia kelele hapa kwa sink. So meaning they are roaches. And you know it can be so bad if my kitchen has roaches. Like this is an open kitchen. Meaning the whole house will just have roaches. Very easily. And I cannot allow that, by the way. I cannot allow that. So by the way, guys, that is it. So tomorrow I'll have to do some deep cleaning and see whether I'll see some roaches. But now, every week I normally do some cleanings, but because of my situation naendanga nikichoka, and that is why I like doing things by my own self, because I'm able to reach where people cannot reach. And mende hey Chineke, zitakaa tu hapa, like everything else zitabaki tu hivyo vile ziko until tomorrow. Morning, guys. It's another beautiful morning. So I've started my day with the laundry. I won't talk much because of the machine noise. Yeah, that twin tub machine normally has a lot of noise, so I want to wipe the cabinets and then return everything.
Just take a breath and take it deep to show the world that you can see a life that's full of wonder, but it will never be enough. moments it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. Searching for the moments I'm a little less empty inside. Fewer late nights 'cause nobody seems to make the time. And I don't know how to do this right. No, I don't know how the years gone by. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 25. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. It's all that I needed. I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. To move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. How the years go by, searching for the moments I'm a little less 25, a little less 25, a little less, searching for the moments I'm a little less 20, a little less 25. Just take a breath and take it deep to show the world that you can see a life that's full of wonder, but it will never be enough.
So guys, by the way, I'm so done. Yeah, I'm so done. I've not mopped everywhere, but I've just tried to make everything clean. So these are the only clothes I've washed, by the way. Very, 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 very few. Yeah. So it's raining outside. I decided to put those ones up there. And yeah, the kitchen is clean, by the way. So let's just make breakfast. So guys, we have come to an end of this video. This is how my breakfast looked. It was yummy. So for me, I was taking strong tea, and for Eddie, he was taking white tea. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.